Hello again. So here it is, another of the bags to show you how much everything that I travel with fits in these bags. I think a lot of you are probably starting to use the system of the bags. I have been using them for a couple of years now, and it's been fantastic because it allows me to bring a lot of things that I need while I travel. So I'll show you what, more or less, what is in all these bags that I bring, and that can give you an idea of the packing system that I use. So mostly these bags are used for my shoes, and this one is shoes, this one is shoes as well. So just to try, it was gonna be hard to do it. So here are two pair of shoes, tan color that goes usually with everything, and these other wedges that I love to use because they just are also fun and they go with everything. And this is a choice of this strip according to the clothes that I brought. And this is another pair of shoes, but I just take care as much as possible when you travel. So here it is, all my three pair of shoes and the white heels, the black heels that I wear as I travel. So here you have, those are the shoes, and you saw they're big wedges and they fit perfectly there. This one has all the roll system. So here I have a black top, two, a dress, another dress, shorts, khaki shorts, scarf, never fails, you always need one. I chose, this is my my to-go dress. I love this dress. I have been using it for years. It's just cotton, black, and I use it for anything. And this is another of my dresses that is like, I don't know what to wear, and it's just simple. It's a Loft brand, and it's just the type of dress that goes, you can dress up and dress down. So you see this little bag had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces, and they're not small, they're big long dresses. Everything in this little piece. And my other bag, I believe this is where I put my actual working clothes too. So pair of jeans as well fit there. So this is a black suit. So here you have black suit, a long dress, another working dress with a jacket, you know, in conference you usually get pretty cold, so I also have this long sweater, another working clothes, and another jacket. So all these items fit in this little bag as well. Now, yes, things are wrinkled, but the good thing, I have an iron to wear, but I can bring them without having to worry about carrying a big luggage. So here we fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I have 7 pieces. I have suits, dresses, sports, shorts, jeans, everything and anything I need whenever I need. This little pouch here, I believe it is, oh, here I have my bathing suit cover, a bathing suit, sports bra. This is all for running, jogging, and shorts. So all these pieces fit in this little one. This one I'm not gonna open, but actually it's a piece that is for laundry. You see, it's a tie bag. I use it forever. So it has 2 zippers in each side, and I fit here my underwear. So one side is for bras, one side is for underwear, and it just keep it perfectly in one place. You can make it fit anywhere. So now you know. I wanted to give you this, make this video so a lot of people ask me, how do you change so many clothes and etc. And this is what it is. I pack all of these things always in just one little carry-on. And you already see in the previous videos the shoes, the tennies, and everything, and where everything goes. So this is it. I hope you like now and enjoy, have some ideas of what to travel with. And thank you for watching all Anytime Travel Solutions videos. Thank you for following me. And I'm waiting here for whenever you travel for any trip informations. I'm here to help you. Goodbye, amigos.